Today's video is sponsored by Homery. Discover how easy it is to elevate your home with Homery's stylish, affordable furniture. Visit homery.com to find your perfect piece. Hey guys, welcome back to At Home with Juju, where we do design on a budget. So today we're giving a retro living room a full makeover in just one day. Yeah, some surprises do pop up, so let's see if we can pull this off. What is up guys, Juju here, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing a living room makeover. Living rooms are one of my favorite things to make over because there's so much possibility with a living room. You can do a lot. This is a budget friendly makeover, so I know you guys love my zero budget makeovers, $500 budget makeovers. I would say that this one falls around like $600 or $700. So a lot of it is going to be stuff that she already has, but we do have some new pieces. You might be wondering, who is this makeover for? Well, it's for my friend Kaylin. You guys have seen her on the channel before. She just moved to Detroit. She's got a new job. She's in a new town, new apartment. And so we want to make this space feel homey and, you know, like her safe space where she can go at the end of the day. Right now, she's dealing with a few different struggles. One, there's not much lighting outside of the natural light. So during the evening, she needs a little bit more lighting for that. And so we brought in some lighting. She also needs just to simply unpack. Like right now, she has stuff everywhere and she wants to get everything organized and in place. We had a TaskRabbit come and put up the TV, so that part is actually already done. A big thing is it's currently 1 o'clock and we have to be done with this by 7 p.m. So we've got 6 hours and $700 to make over this apartment. So let's see what we can do. I would say the first step is to clear out everything in the space and make room for all the new items and just get organizing. So first let's get rid of all the clutter and then we could put everything in place. Yeah, anything that we're not using, we could just put it to the side for right now, even the pillows and stuff.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this.
Oh, by the way, this is my sister Joy. This is Kaylin, whose makeover we're doing.
You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out.
It's still a little tight. We could push it forward even more. I think so.
Now is it too close?
No.
I don't think so.
I think this is enough room. Yeah. Right now, we're trying to figure out the layout. My original plan was to put the couch here and the desk behind. But we're wondering if there will be enough room for the desk. I'm thinking so right now, but we're just gonna put the desk back there just to see for sure. I think that would be the best layout for the space. Let's see. So we're thinking shelves up here to create like a shelving unit kind of feel. Maybe even side by side and then one's on top. You feel cramped?
I mean, a little, but I mean, let me see.
So you gotta see it like this because it's gonna be pushed in. Yeah. I feel like for the space, there's not many options, especially if we want to do the shelving unit. Yeah. Like if you want that open feeling right on the window would be nice, but then it's like, okay, well then we won't do the shelves because we could do the shelves in a different area, but it won't have that like built-in kind of look to it. Okay.
Do you think we can move the couch up?
We can move it up just a hair, yep. Okay guys, so I'm super excited today because we are actually being sponsored by Homery. They are collabing with me on this video and I just absolutely love their furniture. I've used them in a design years ago when I did an office makeover for my dad. Their furniture brand is modern, quality, and timeless. I absolutely love their pieces and I can't wait to put it in this makeover. Okay, so let's jump into the unboxing. Well, first of all, look at this packaging. What I really love about their pieces is that they really elevate your space. They really make the whole experience feel luxe from the cart all the way to arrival. Alright. This modern glow TV stand from Homery combines sleek design with smart functionality. This built-in LED lighting and the glossy acrylic panels are so bold and cute. The contemporary touch makes your space feel instantly upgraded. Plus, you get plenty of practical storage. Spacious shelves and hidden compartments make it easy to keep your media setup organized and clutter-free. You can count on it for long-lasting support and everyday durability. They're currently having a Black Friday sale right now, so make sure you go and check that out. They're offering a limited time 15% discount along with a discount affiliate code listed in my bio. If you're ready to take your living room design up a notch, head over to homery.com to check out their full collection of modern furniture. You'll find pieces that fit every style and every space. Thanks again, Homery, for sponsoring today's video. So we're almost done storing the unit. I'm about to put on some card covers on the cords for the TV. I always recommend doing this. It just makes your space look more seamless and, you know, professional, I guess. And these are the adhesive ones. You can get these pretty much at any hardware store, Amazon, Target. So yeah, we're just gonna put that on before we finish the unit so that I don't have to move the unit and put the cords on. Guys, it's 7 o'clock. This is the time that we were supposed to be done, and look at the living room. It's absolute chaos. So we're gonna be here till like 1, 2 in the morning, but we are gonna get it done. I might have Kate.
Oh, sorry. Well, hey, I'm trying to work. You want to get it done or what? Bro.
We're gonna be here till like maybe 2 in the morning. So we are legit. There's a lot more to do. You guys, I have an outfit change for reasons I can't say on camera. We're gonna start placing some furniture and getting some stuff out of the way. We have to do the curtains and we have to do the shelving unit still and then style everything, of course. So right now I'm gonna get these chairs. They're really comfy. I don't know that I'm gonna have room for 2 though. So I don't know. Maybe we'll have to return one. Hopefully not. I'm thinking we can do them like side by side, or maybe like angle one this way and then do the other one this way. I think we need to move this stuff out of the way so that this can just be like one almost conversation pit, which kind of goes with the retro vibe that she likes. So let's see if we can work it out with the space. So Kaylin works from home. She's got this desk area and we are going to build some shelves around it to create a focal point when you walk into the living room. Look, you know, this is a great time for me to tell you guys to subscribe, because the more subscribers I get, the bigger, better makeovers we can do, and I can actually hire a handyman to be in all my videos. So that's applause that you hear in the background. So make sure you subscribe, turn on those notifications, and like and comment on this video. Here's some inspo of what we're going for. We're not doing white shelves, we're doing black. And I actually think that's good because we got the white sofa right next to it, so it'll just add that contrast. It's a lot of black and white right now, and it's actually looking pretty good. Usually this is around the time where I'm hating the makeover, but I'm actually liking it. So that's a good sign. So we started to build the wall unit, and this was actually the setup that I was the most excited about. However, I completely forgot that Kaylin had cement walls. And when I tell you guys, we did not have the proper materials to get through these walls. We tried everything. We even went out and got the proper drill, but it just was not working. All right, you guys, so everybody just left to go to the corner store to get some snacks. And I'm sitting here and I'm looking around the room, and I think Kaylin was right. I know, as hard as it is for me to admit somebody else is right, I'm working on that with my therapist. But yeah, I just don't like everything squished up this way. And I think the only place for the desk is the corner. As much as I don't want the desk to be there in the corner, I had an idea that we could take the shelves and just stack them above the desk and make that area its own little moment, because everything just feels a little disjointed and I'm not liking how it is now. So while they're gone, I'm gonna hurry up and push everything back and open up the space. That'll also get rid of our 2-chair problem and how it feels a little bit crowded in this area. So I think I only have like 10 minutes to do it, so I gotta hurry up. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do all this myself, it's the only thing. But I'm gonna try. I could just do this like a normal person and wait for them to get back, but I don't want to. I want to surprise them. Oh gosh, they're already back.
Hi.
Hey.
Hey. Are we on camera?
You're on camera for a reason.
Oh, why? Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. That is funny.
So even though I wasn't a fan of the desk in the corner, I think if we add shelves above it, it'll make it feel like its own moment and it won't feel so random over there.
Okay.
So now we're putting the coffee table down right here in the center. This feels so much bigger, so much more like I can breathe in the space. If you remember, this used to be gold and we spray painted it gray, like a chrome color, to better go with her vibe, and I think it works really well. So it's very funky in here. So we took these shelves that Kaylin already had. We weren't sure what we were gonna do with them. We thought about tossing them, but we're like, let's just keep them just in case. So we decided to put them in this corner because it was really lacking. We're using this as like a side tables of sorts. We're gonna put a donut lamp from IKEA on the top and then just fill it with records. And I think it just does well to fill this corner. We're also gonna be putting a wall of curtains across here. So I feel like that'll just soften everything and pull everything together. Okay, so she has this little section right here that I think would be perfect for a bar. She was using it for extra kitchen storage, but she was able to move some things around and find space. And I think this little free refill sign is like perfect for a little bar moment. So we want her to be able to have her friends over and entertain. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting her drinks down. So I'm about to just style this really quick, just put some glasses and some cutesy stuff for her guests.
Waylist, dragging our feet on the floor. Lost in translation, I keep on chasing who we were before.
This gold modern table lamp is also from Homery. Thank you, Homery, for sending this lamp. It goes perfect on any desk or bedroom area.
And I have a chance. Oh, tell me it's all